When your name appears on an autopsy report, it's too late to run. Hello, friends. I work as a night assistant in a city hospital. Most nights are quiet. Too quiet. At 2:46 a.m., a file appeared on my desk. No footsteps, no sound. Just there. The name on the file froze my blood. It was my name. I laughed nervously. Someone's idea of a sick joke, I whispered. Then I saw the heading. Autopsy report. Cause of death. Internal bleeding. Time of death. 3:10 a.m. I checked the clock. It read 2:49 a.m. My hands started shaking. I was alive. Breathing. Reading my own death. And then the report ended with one line. The body will arrive shortly. I tried to leave. The door wouldn't open. The lights flickered. At exactly 3:10 a.m., the elevator dinged. A stretcher rolled out by itself, covered with a white sheet. I didn't want to look. I knew what was under it. Slowly, the sheet slid down. It was me. Same face, same scar on the eyebrow, same clothes. But the eyes were open, staring, smiling. The corpse whispered, "You were never supposed to survive." My chest burned. I couldn't breathe. The autopsy report fell from my hands. Another line appeared. Subject is now aware. I woke up on the floor. Morning light filled the room. The stretcher was gone. The file was gone. No report. No body. I thought. It was a nightmare. Then I saw people walking past me, through me. I tried to scream. No sound came out. A nurse looked at the chart on the wall and said, "Strange. This room is empty." I ran to the mirror. There was no reflection. That's when I understood. I didn't read my autopsy report before dying. I read it after. And the worst part, I still work here. Every night, watching new files appear with new names. Death didn't take me. It employed me.